We are in Kochi Prefecture in the island of Shikoku, which is the fourth of the four major islands comprising Japan. And Kochi is faces the Pacific Ocean, whereas the others mainly face the Seto Inland Sea. And it's you get here by you can fly to Kochi Ryoma Airport, or you can drive if you're from Osaka. There's not much in the way of public transportation, and so this is a place called Kohanyu. It started out as a day-use hot springs onsen place establishment, and then they added a restaurant after that. And then about 8 years ago, so about 2018, they also turned it into a ryokan, a luxury one with 4 rooms. So very small and intimate. It's a calling card, a couple of things. It does have onsen, straight from the source, never recirculated, and they have them in the guest room. They also have organic local ingredients, and so this is what it looks like inside. And also it is known for its music. Konnichiwa. And so what you'll see here is この川の名前何でしたっけ？Monobe River。これ四万十川の次になんか長いんですか？どうだろう？四国では割と大きい方なんですよね。So it faces the Monobe River, which we'll show you in a second. But it's also known as a retreat for music lovers or audiophiles. ここがレストランなんですよね。はい。And so you see here, they have an extensive music collection. And then you'll see they have really awesome vintage audio equipment, from speakers to amps to turntables, from Macintosh to all kinds of other brands. So, and each room has a different audio setup, but they're all vintage, high quality ones. And so they don't blast. It's not for, like, they're not going to blast hip hop or things like that. But in your room, you could treat yourself to whatever CDs that they have, or you can bring your own audio music to enjoy. And so let's take a look here. Okay, I'm gonna have to squeeze through here. And this is the Monobe River. Really tranquil scenery. You can see here, this is the deck. You can relax. So there's only 4 rooms. It's not cheap. Show you the room in a bit. We're just checking in, but this is the view of the Monobe River. And so it's well known for its organic produce, as well as some wild meat like boar, things like that. So it's healthy. It's not heavy. It's a local cuisine done in a very high-end gastronomic way. So each room has its own audio equipment. It has its own hot springs bath straight from the source. So we're looking forward to our first day here at Kohanyu.